Ever wonder how your favorite online store always seems to recommend products you might actually want? Or how your bank flags those suspicious transactions because it's noticed an unusual pattern and potentially saving you from fraud? Well, that's the magic of unsupervised learning, another type of machine learning we'll explore today. In our last episode, we talked about supervised learning, where we showed the computer lots of examples with the correct answers or labels. The computer learns from these examples to predict the right answer when it sees new input data. But that's not the only way a computer learns. It can also learn by finding hidden patterns and relationships in data, all on its own, without being given correct answers. This kind of learning without a teacher giving you the correct answer is called unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, where we give the computer the correct labels, unsupervised learning figures things out all by itself and finds some patterns or what's interesting in the data. Imagine you have a box of mixed fruits with no labels and you want to sort them into different groups. Unsupervised learning can sort these fruits into groups based on maybe their size, color, or shape. The computer will look for similarities and say, hey, all these green, round fruits seem to go together. Let's put them in one group. And for these red ones, let's form another group or cluster. This grouping, based on similarities, is called clustering. And this turns out to be very useful in many applications. In marketing, for example, companies use it for customer segmentation. They group customers based on their buying behavior so they can send you personalized recommendations. It's like the computer saying, hey, you seem to like these chocolate candies, so maybe you will like these other chocolate ice creams too. Maybe that's why I keep getting chocolate recommendations all the time. Or how about when your bank sends you a fraud alert? That's also another type of unsupervised learning called anomaly detection. The computer looks at your spending patterns and flags anything that looks fishy or unusual. It's like the computer saying, whoa, you usually buy groceries, not 13-carat diamond rings. This looks fishy. Time for a pop quiz. Which of the following scenarios is an example of unsupervised learning? A computer program that tells you if an email is spam or not, after being trained on lots of labeled emails. B, a system that groups customers who buy similar products together without being told what the groups should be. And C, a machine learning model that predicts how much a house will sell for based on data from past house sales. To summarize, unsupervised learning is all about finding hidden patterns and making sense of data without any labels or correct answers. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to build a strong foundation in machine learning, be sure to check out these episodes where I covered supervised learning and other key machine learning concepts in more detail. In the next episode, we'll get our hands dirty and build some simple, fun machine learning applications. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Happy learning and happy eating.